Okay, here we go. This is a game of find the weed. This is oregano. Nice, pretty plant. Got a little bit of fuzziness to the leaves. And keep looking through. And before you know it, we will find a weed. So I just kind of go to the base as much as I can and pull. Purple dead nettle. There's another one. Some vetch. Go to the base and pull. Well, there's another one. They blend in so well. Oh, look at this. Oh. It spreads by roots and runners, but so does the oregano. There we go. Ooh, look at this one. There we go. The oregano will block a lot of this out from germination, but I still have to keep on it because there are some bare patches. Right here you can see a small bare patch. Let's see, what else do we have here? I see purple. I see a little purple flower right there. And eagle eyes, on the camera you'll probably see more. It's so hard to find this stuff. Just have to keep at it, just a little every day. And sometimes you pull the wrong one, but that's okay. Last thing I want to do is get something in my oregano that I did not expect. There we go. Right there. See my hand is there to see it. Just come back. Keep checking on it. Right there. Last thing I want to do is be eating weeds when I expect it to be something else. I want to know when I'm pulling something that it is actually, it's a little light colored. I'll just pull that anyways. Alright, there you go. Quick and easy. I think I got them. You guys can spot more. Okay, bye.